Okay, looks like we're back into production. It's been a long, what, year and a half, Joe?
6 months.
6 months? Okay, it felt like a year and a half. But we're going to get back into the videos here and there, hopefully on a regular basis. We also opened up a auction site where we're selling trains really cheap, cars, engines. So check us out on Facebook, JRXR Train Auctions. Love to have you guys. The deals are phenomenal. Right now we're up to 59 members, so you got some competition going. But we're back in the train room. We've been kind of piddling around on it on the days that raining, snowing. Yeah, it's February 2nd, 2021. I'll hold my political comments. But other than that, the train room's coming along. So we just wanted to welcome you all back. But we can show you how far that we've come so far. Joe's going to pan over everything, show you all the goodies that we've been doing. Still a lot of under construction. Better go slow. But so some things are coming together. It's kind of hit or miss. Nothing's like in stone, let's do this, let's do that. Instead, we'll just work on a scene here, work on a scene there, and blend it all in. Got the state trooper up there on Highway 1. Joe's gonna wire it in so the lights are going off. That'll be pretty cool. The buildings over here, we're trying to fit them in. Built this bridge, actually two of them, for the slot cars. That'll be right there with the buildings in the background. Pretty cool. Also, one of the tips for the day, which is pretty cool, if you, yep, that's that way. If you take a DCC engine and put it on your DC track, this is really cool for yards, and you only turn it up halfway, sensitive little transformer there. But if you turn it up halfway, the DCC will just sit there and idle. How cool is that to have in your yard? So we're going to try to get about maybe 3 more engines to idle in the yard, and we'll try to get some idling over in this yard. That way we can have idlers, and then we can take out trains as we want to. What else is there? What else we done, Joe? So just to introduce you to the auction house, we're always bringing in new products. So this is some of the stuff that we have up for auction. We got 2 10-minute auctions. We have one that runs from Saturday to Thursday. So we're always putting up new products, and if you guys get in on this week's 10-minute auction, I believe that's going to be Friday, we got 89 cars coming in, some really cool cars. But that should be pretty cool. Just to show you what might be coming up. I don't know if I want to get rid of it yet. But We got that bad boy right there. She's early, all wood. I'll probably let that go for a steal. 20-30 bucks. But yeah, we got some cool stuff in here. So we want to pass the savings on to you guys so you guys can get your layouts going and collect some really good stuff without paying mega bucks for it. But check us out. I think you'll like our prices. So chime us in. I do believe you got to ask for an invite to come into the auction, so hit us up. Facebook, JRXR Train Auctions on Facebook. All right, till we meet again.